Looking for the best CPU cooler for the Ryzen 9 9950X? If you're after bleeding-edge performance, the Ryzen 9 9950X is one of the very best CPUs that AMD has to offer today. Both productivity and gaming performance are just impressive. Pair that with great energy efficiency, and you have a beast of a CPU. Of course, you still need a good CPU cooler to keep it cool and bring out its full power. In this video, I've handpicked the two best CPU coolers for the 9950X, one if you need the absolute best cooler, and another one which is the best option all things considered, while prioritizing performance, value, and noise levels. Current prices and all CPU coolers mentioned in the video are available in the description. First, the best premium CPU cooler for the Ryzen 9 9950X is the Noctua NHD15. When it comes to air coolers, Noctua is as good as it gets. They've built a name for themselves by producing high-end air coolers with exceptional performance, and the NHD15 Chromax Black is no exception. It offers superb performance and even better acoustics. Although a bit on the expensive side, the performance makes it worth the expense. This isn't a new cooler. In fact, it's the full blacked-out version of the award-winning NHD15, popular for its impeccable performance. The main issue with the original was the unorthodox color choice, which made it hard to match it with builds. The Chromax Black version solves this problem, making it the perfect choice for a Ryzen 9 9950X build. As for the design, this is a dual-tower air cooler with two 140mm fans capable of operating at a maximum RPM of 1500. Because the fans are mounted on top of the CPU, they also provide airflow and cooling for other heatsinks and motherboard components. Suffice it to say, when it comes to performance, this cooler doesn't disappoint. One of the main issues that comes with using a cooler like NHD15 is memory clearance. The NHD15 is a beefy cooler, which does cause some serious clearance issues. While the fan clip does allow you to adjust the fan for more clearance, doing so might make it incompatible with certain cases. Apart from the clearance issues, the aesthetics might also be a source of discourse. While the simplistic and single-color design is appealing, it can be a deal-breaker for some people. The complete lack of RGB might push people away. To combat this, Noctua does offer customizable heatsink covers and anti-vibration pads sold separately, but does further inflate the cost. However, where this cooler shines is the acoustics. Noctua NHD15 is nearly silent, even under heavy loads. On top of that, the low noise adapters can reduce the noise further by decreasing the fan RPM from 1500 to 1200. While that may cause a decrease in performance, it's nice to have the option to decrease noise even further. To top it all off, Noctua promises to offer mounting hardware for future upgrades, making this cooler a good long-term investment. On top of that, it comes with a 6-year warranty, making it quite future-proof. It's worth mentioning this cooler is a bit expensive. There are cheaper options on the market, like the Deepcool AK620 and the Thermalright Phantom Spirit. Both options are excellent, but the NHD15 has proven to be the most reliable air cooler out there. Spending a bit more money for that peace of mind is a good idea. Before we continue to my top pick CPU cooler for the Ryzen 9 9950X, it would really help us continue making more videos if you support us by just hitting the like button and subscribe, or even with a comment so that I know if you like it or if there's something I can do to improve next time. I promise, it costs nothing, just a few seconds. My top pick as the best CPU cooler for the Ryzen 9 9950X, all things considered, is the Thermalright Phantom Spirit 120 EVO. The Thermalright Phantom Spirit 120 EVO is arguably the best air cooler on the market. It has a sleek, all-black appearance, tasteful RGB lighting, highly impressive performance, and a very aggressive price point. It easily beats higher-end competitors, both in terms of performance and price, so it's a safe recommendation as the best value CPU cooler these days. This variant builds on the foundation of its predecessor, the original Phantom Spirit 120, which already earned praise for its dual-tower efficiency. This time round, the EVO version features 7 heat pipes instead of 6, a denser fin array for better heat dissipation, and improved high-performance fans. Design-wise, the Phantom Spirit 120 EVO has a very stealthy appearance. It's a dual-tower cooler with a staggered aluminum fin array, 58 fins per tower, and has a matte black coating on top that gives it a sleek industrial look. The fin stacks are asymmetrical, which improves RAM clearance. It comes with two TLK12 fans with RGB lighting zones at the corners, and they're rated for 1500 RPM with a quiet 25.6 decibel noise level. Out of the box, you get a generous tube of Thermalright TF7 thermal paste, a universal mounting kit for Intel LGA 1700 and 1200, and AMD AM5 and AM4, and a low-profile screwdriver for hassle-free installation. The cooler's dual-tower design adds some heft at 750 grams, but the reinforced backplate ensures motherboard flex isn't an issue. However, this cooler does have a gigantic footprint, meaning it won't fit into most ITX cases. In fact, it might even have some trouble fitting into micro ATX cases, which is something to be aware of. Thankfully, all that size is put to good use with impressive performance. Even with high-end processors like the Ryzen 9 9950X, the temperatures don't peak too high. That's while pushing the CPU to 100% load, so the results are nothing to scoff at. Noise levels at full load also stay around 45 decibels. Installation is straightforward for a dual-tower cooler. The spring-loaded screw mounts eliminate uneven pressure, and the pre-applied silicone fan gaskets dampen vibrations. AMD users can install it in minutes using the stock AM5 brackets, while Intel builders get a no-nonsense backplate and standoff system. In terms of competition, the only cooler that provides such high-end performance at a low price is the Deepcool AK620. Both coolers have clean designs, fantastic performance, and low noise levels. The only problem is that Deepcool products are not available anymore in the US due to sanctions, giving the Thermalright cooler an anticlimactic win by default. In summary, the only thing that might bother you about this cooler is its gigantic size. However, if you can fit it into your case, you're getting a beast that can outperform competitors that are twice its price. I highly recommend it for both mid-range and high-end CPUs, like the Ryzen 9 9950X. Thanks for staying till the end. Remember, you can check current prices in the description below.